Welcome to PartsHnC, your trusted destination for heating and cooling parts for your HVAC systems. In today's video, we'll demonstrate easy steps to clean your Lennox Air Conditioner Condenser, ensuring your system operates at its best. Step 1. Safety first. Begin by turning off the power at the main circuit breaker to ensure safety. Put on gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself from debris. Step 2. Gather your supplies. Gather a soft brush, mild detergent or coil cleaner, and a water hose with a spray nozzle. Step 3. Clear debris. Use the brush or vacuum to remove leaves and dirt from the condenser unit. Step 4. Clean the fins. Mix the detergent with water and spray it on the fins. Let it sit for a few minutes. Gently brush the fins to remove dirt and grime, then rinse with a hose. Step 5. Straighten bent fins. Carefully use a fin comb to straighten any bent fins for proper airflow. Step 6. Check the fan blades. Inspect and clean the fan blades using a damp cloth or cleaner. Step 7. Tidy surroundings. Trim nearby bushes and clear debris to allow proper airflow around the unit. Step 8. Allow to dry. Let the condenser dry completely before turning the power back on. Step 9. Power on. Turn the power back on at the main circuit breaker and set the air conditioner to cool to ensure it runs effectively. Thank you for tuning in to our HVAC maintenance guide. Remember, regular maintenance is key to the longevity and efficiency of your HVAC system. Visit our site, PartsHnC.com, for a wide selection of high-quality heating and cooling parts to keep your systems running smoothly.